In today's video, I'm going to teach you Add AI Chatbot to Google Sites 2026. Step-by-step tutorial. We'll start by setting up your chatbot with a trusted embed tool. Open your browser and go to the Elfsight website. On the homepage, hover over the Widgets menu to reveal the available options, then choose AI Chatbot. On the Chatbot page, click Create Widget for free. You'll be asked to pick a starting template. Choose the one that best fits your goal, whether that's general support, FAQs, or lead capture. Don't worry, you can customize colors, tone, and prompts later. When you've found a good match, click Continue with this template. Next, switch to your Google Sites project. At the top of the editor, use the link icon to grab your site's URL, then copy it. This link helps the chatbot understand your content so it can answer questions with context from your pages. If your site has multiple sections, the bot can often learn from those too. Keep in mind, if certain pages are private or restricted, the analysis may be limited to what's accessible. Head back to Elfsight and paste the link you copied into the field provided. Click Analyze and give it a moment to scan. When the analysis completes, choose Add to Website for free. Follow the prompts to sign in or create an account so your widget is saved. Then click Publish. You'll see plan options. Select the free plan to proceed for now. Finally, click Copy Code to grab the embed snippet. This is the small piece of code that places the chatbot on your site. Return to your Google Sites editor and open the page where you want the chatbot to appear. Click Embed, then select the Embed Code tab. Paste the code you copied from Elfsight, click Next, and then Insert. You'll see the chatbot block appear on your page. You can position it where it makes the most sense for your layout. Depending on the template you chose, the chatbot may display as a floating chat bubble or as an embedded panel. If it's a panel, you can adjust the size within the editor so it looks balanced on desktop and mobile. That's it. Your AI chatbot is now integrated with your Google site. From here, you can return to your Elfsight dashboard anytime to refine the bot's look, language, and behavior without touching the code again. Take a moment to preview your site and try a few common questions your visitors might ask to confirm the replies feel on-brand and accurate. Thanks for watching, and enjoy giving your site visitors instant, helpful answers with your new AI assistant.